Danke bafethu. So i-history laphana ku-FIFA Club World Cup awu-4 ama-player wase-South Africa ashaye ama-goals yabo. So uReyners ushaye 2 lo wama-Mamelodi Sundowns. Ngabe uReyners bafethu ushaye more. But-ke sokhuluma ngalokho ngelinye ilanga yabo. Ushaye 2 goals. Thembinkosi Lorch ushaye 1. Ulona uMuthiba ushaye 1. And izolo surprise bafethu uMayilula iplay exciting kakhulu nalo ligcinela shaya igoli. Sikhumbule ukuthi uMayilula i-target le-Kaizer Chiefs kuma-reports maybe reporter bathi Kaizer Chiefs iyamfuna uMayilula but-ke they are facing a very tough and tight competition because bathi khona ama-European teams amfunayo and le team yakhe leyas i-Toronto FC ithi wena imthengisi ulo imhambisa kuloni ukuthi athole experience maybe ngelinye ilanga kuzobuyela eteamini yakhe but-ke bathi abamthengisi but akekho umuntu onganayo prize makungaba nemali eserious nje impela abayibonisayo or abayikhiphayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs for yena maybe angaya eNaturena le player leli. Yeah, but-ke I'm happy ukuthi I'm happy about Umthiba the most because career yakhe bekubonakala ngathi akekho umuntu ozomsayina akasena ma-opportunities that much because uye kuma-teams a-different but inhlanhla beyingekho yabo. Umuthiba-ke uMamelodi Sundowns bamnika ama-opportunities laphana baqala ukudlala u-Champions League final udlala lawo ma-minutes lawo nje seyizophela igame but-ke their second game laphana ulishayile igoli for iMamelodi Sundowns not against any team bafethu against Borussia Dortmund yes Borussia Dortmund yalapho nje singalibhuji igama labantu yabo. So another player obviously esilibhekile but ngisahleli kule ndaba le kwaMuthiba uMuthiba bafethu angazi ukuthi uzophelela because last game yeMamelodi Sundowns uthole i-hamstring yabo kuthiwa akaphasanga ama-medical or i-fitness ye-game. Why kule game lebabuzodlala kusho ukuthi kune-knock encane or injury encane akusi nothing serious. I don't think there's something serious but-ke leyo nto kuzoba i-concern ukuthi because ubuya ku-injury for isikhathi eside uzokwazi na ukudlala. iMamelodi Sundowns maybe they can opt not to give him i-long term contract but-ke sokubona lokuthi iMamelodi Sundowns izomisa kanjani nanokuthi maybe khona ama-teams azombona ukuthi ayibonali i-player bafethu libuya ku-injury yes but-ke sekorile nango-FIFA Club World Cup and then uReyners ushaye 2 goals and simbonile enza ama-movement amahle kakhulu laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns phambili against ama-team waku-FIFA Club World Cup. Movement yakhe igudi but-ke yabo khona liyalibambe ngesandla bafethu laphana ku-first game bhayiza lapho nalapho kancane into vele angalungisa but-ke amaphutha ayenzeka ngeke phela simcrucify ngoba ubamba ibhola bekumele alikore but njengoba bengishilo ukuthi ulo Reyners bekumele ngabe ukora amagoli more than 2 laphana ku-FIFA Club World Cup and into enhle ukuthi uthole nama-man of the match performances yabo. Bekuthiwa ufunwa ama-teams wase-Scotland or i-team yase-Scotland but asazi ukuthi i-deal yakhona yaphelelaphi. Angazi ukuthi uzohlala kuMamelodi Sundowns even if like kunebhazi enkulu emdinga lena e-Europe but-ke I think I don't see him leaving iMamelodi Sundowns because iMamelodi Sundowns ngeke imdedele kalula i-price tag yakhe serious. Ama-teams wase-Europe inkinga yabo bafethu ukuthi bafuna ukusayina ama-African players cheap yabo compared to let's say South American players yiyo inkinga enkulu but-ke yasobona ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns izomisa kanjani because abafana badlale kahle kakhulu bazi-advertisile. Thank you bafethu.